Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on upcoming smartphones. Today, we have some exciting unofficial information about the highly anticipated Apple iPhone Flip. Although these specifications are not confirmed by Apple, they provide us with a glimpse of what we might expect from this unique device. So, let's dive into the details. According to unofficial sources, the Apple iPhone Flip is expected to be launched on December 21, 2023. While we eagerly wait for its official unveiling, let's talk about some key aspects. The estimated price in India is around 87,252 rupees. As you would expect, this phone will carry the reputable Apple brand and will run on the iOS v15 operating system. The iPhone Flip is rumored to feature dual SIM slots, allowing you to use two SIM cards simultaneously. The first slot will support a nano SIM, while the second slot will be an eSIM. This flexibility gives you the freedom to manage your personal and professional contacts conveniently. In terms of network connectivity, the iPhone Flip is expected to support 5G in India, along with 4G, 3G, and 2G networks. This means you'll be able to enjoy fast internet speeds and seamless connectivity, keeping you connected wherever you go. Additionally, the phone is rumored to include a fingerprint sensor for enhanced security. The iPhone Flip is said to have a sleek and compact form factor. It is rumored to measure approximately 146.7 mm in height, 71.5 mm in width, and 7.4 mm in thickness. With these dimensions, it should fit comfortably in your hand and pocket. The weight of the iPhone Flip is estimated to be around 164 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Additionally, it is said to be available in a stylish blue color, which adds a touch of elegance to its overall aesthetic. Now let's talk about the display of the iPhone Flip. It is rumored to feature a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen. This display is expected to offer a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. With an aspect ratio of 19.59 and a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch, you can expect a rich and immersive viewing experience. The iPhone Flip is also expected to support touch inputs with its capacitive touchscreen, allowing for smooth and responsive interactions. The Super Retina XDR technology ensures excellent color accuracy, contrast, and brightness, making it a delight for multimedia consumption. Under the hood, the iPhone Flip is rumored to be powered by the Apple A15 Bionic chipset built on a 5nm process. This powerful chipset, combined with a hexa-core processor, 2x3.1 GHz Firestorm plus 4x1.8 GHz Ice Storm, is expected to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. The iPhone Flip is likely to come with 6 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast app launches. It is important to note that this unofficial information suggests a variant with 128 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for your apps, photos, videos, and files. However, there may be other storage options available, such as 256 GB and 512 GB variants. Now, let's turn our attention to the camera capabilities of the iPhone Flip. According to the rumors, this device will sport a single camera setup. It is expected to have a 12 megapixels primary camera with an f1.6 aperture, offering a wide-angle lens and featuring dual-pixel PDAF, phase detection autofocus, and OIS, optical image stabilization. In addition to the primary camera, the iPhone Flip is rumored to include a 16 megapixels ultra-wide camera with an f2.4 aperture and a 120-degree field of view, enabling you to capture more expansive scenes. There might also be an 8 megapixels telephoto camera for zooming capabilities. The camera setup is likely to support various features such as dual LED flash, exposure compensation, ISO control, and shooting modes like continuous shooting and high dynamic range (HDR). With these features at your disposal, you can capture stunning photos with ease. For selfie enthusiasts, The iPhone Flip is rumored to feature a 12 megapixels front camera with an f2.2 aperture, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. This camera is expected to offer additional features like HDR and panorama modes. Let's talk about the battery and connectivity options of the iPhone Flip. It is said to come equipped with a 3520 mAh Li-ion battery, which should provide sufficient power to keep the device running throughout the day. Additionally, there may be support for fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly recharge your phone when needed. As for network connectivity, the iPhone Flip is expected to support 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G networks in India. This ensures compatibility with the latest and fastest mobile networks, enabling you to experience blazing fast internet speeds. Furthermore, the phone is rumored to support Wi-Fi 802.11 AX/B per gram N, AX/B per gram N, MIMO, Bluetooth version 5.0, GPS with a GPS and GLONASS, NFC, and USB connectivity. And that concludes our overview of the unofficial specifications and features of the Apple iPhone Flip. While these details are subject to change until the official announcement, they give us an exciting glimpse into what Apple might have in store for us. We hope you found this information helpful and enjoyed getting a sneak peek at this highly anticipated device. If you're as excited as we are about the iPhone Flip, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on upcoming smartphones and the latest tech news. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.